Habitat conservation stands at the heart of preserving the world's biodiversity. The primary principles of habitat conservation emphasize the protection, maintenance, and restoration of natural environments. This involves safeguarding not only the species within these habitats, but also the complex ecological processes that sustain them. Conservationists prioritize areas rich in species diversity, known as biodiversity hotspots, and focus on reducing habitat loss, fragmentation, and degradation. A key strategy in habitat conservation is the establishment of protected areas. National parks, wildlife sanctuaries, and biosphere reserves serve as strongholds for wildlife, functioning as safe havens where ecosystems can function with minimal human disturbance. National parks are typically large, undisturbed landscapes preserved for ecological integrity and recreation. Wildlife sanctuaries offer refuge for specific threatened species and allow regulated human activity that does not harm wildlife. Biosphere reserves, on the other hand, are designated to promote a balanced relationship between people and nature, integrating conservation, sustainable use, and research. However, even protected areas are not immune to threats. That's where restoration ecology comes in, an approach dedicated to rebuilding ecosystems that have been degraded or destroyed. This process may involve replanting native vegetation, reintroducing keystone species, or restoring natural fire and water cycles. The goal is to return the ecosystem to a healthy, functioning state, enabling it to support native species and provide essential ecological services. Effective habitat conservation also relies on community-based strategies. By involving local people in stewardship, conservation efforts become more sustainable and equitable. Communities can manage resources, monitor wildlife, and develop livelihoods that are compatible with environmental protection. Through education, participatory decision-making, and economic incentives, community-based conservation empowers people to become guardians of the habitats they depend on. Together, these approaches form a comprehensive framework for conserving the world's most valuable ecosystems, ensuring that nature's richness endures for generations to come.